Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn a normal video to a green screen video. So select your video, make sure the background isn't too busy, go to cutout and select auto cutout. Then you are going to add in a green screen background. So either you can add it just like from like an image, or you can move it down here, go to basic, go to canvas and go to color. And you can basically choose a color here. If you can't find it here, you can select this color wheel and just go and select like the green part, like the green color, sorry. Then as you can see, it will create this like cool green screen video, but don't move it up because you will lose the green screen. And to use it, you are just going to export it. I'm actually just going to use this one so I can show you guys how you can actually use the green screen. So put it up here and go to cutout, chroma key, select color picker and select the green bit to remove the green screen. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!